What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we are unboxing JosLove Solid Cream Gel Polish Palette. And you guys, can we take a moment to appreciate my nails? They're literally so adorable. Well, I used the landfill kit that you guys saw me unbox in a previous video, so I'll be showing you guys that. I also used JosLove Polygel for the base, the white that you see underneath the nails. And you guys are going to see how I created this look, everything like that. But in the meantime, we are going to unbox this product, and it's super simple, super cute. I mean, I loved it. I especially love the fact that each one was individually covered. Like, imagine you don't have to worry about accidentally, like, if there wasn't individual covers over each color, you may get one color and the other color by mistake, or like if you're trying to use one color, you may accidentally bump into the other color. Especially with long nails, things get so messy. So this is just so convenient. They do have numbers and they have colors. The brush that they come with is super like, the bristles are really smooth and silky, which I really liked that. And it's a thin brush, so it makes it easy to like apply the gel. And you guys are going to see the application process. I'm not going to be using this in today's video, but I am going to be using it soon. I'm trying to think of a nail set. You guys, you know that I love when you guys give me like nail design ideas or design ideas of nails that you would like to see me create, especially because I'm trying to upload as much as possible. So with that inspiration, it just like makes my job so much easier. And so a few of you guys have inboxed me on Instagram. You DM me and show me like nail design ideas that you would like me to try. And there are some good messages, you guys. So thank you so much for taking the time out to do that. But anyways, here we have our little piece of paper. It's like a cardstock paper, and this is what I have been swatching on lately so that I can go ahead and just pin it. Like, I take sticky tack and I just pin it up to this white board that's right in front of me that kind of like keeps the light in onto my desk. I'll show you guys my setup. If you're interested, drop a comment down below and let me know. Just drop a comment. One comment is enough. I will go ahead and show you guys my setup. It is totally different than my last nail tour video. I will go ahead and link my nail tour video. I'm going to write it down in the cards, and I will go ahead and link it down below in the description, so that you guys can see. But anyways, we're going to start to use these. And at first I was just kind of like patting it. I've only used one pudding gel before, and that was the one by Madam Glam, which I will go ahead and link that one as well if you guys want to check out that video. But yeah, this one is like, I like them. This is, I don't really know like a lot. I haven't used this one on the actual nails yet. I've only swatched it, so I don't know how I feel, but to me it feels like it has a really good, nice consistency. It also feels like it has a bit of a self-leveling feature to it, which I enjoy, and it's a good consistency. Like, it's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's very like perfectly buttery. And the color swatches came out really good. The color palette that they selected came out really good. I like all of the colors. There's like a couple of nudish, beige, and then we get into like the deep reds or the deep browns, which was nice. How do you guys like my nails? I cannot wait to tell you guys how I created these nails and to show you guys. Drop a comment down below and let me know how you like my nails. Anyways, you guys, just so you know, JosLove is on Amazon. JosLove Beauty, I believe, and they do have a discount code for you guys. It's 10 Scorpion. I will go ahead and leave it down below. I'll try to remember to put it over on my website as well so that you guys can see the coupon code there, because I think that the collaboration with JosLove is going fairly well. So it may be something that we continue to see, is these products being reviewed on my channel. And I really honestly, I'm obsessed with this. It's so perfect. So if I had to contrast it, I would say that, oh, by the way, you guys, I forgot to mention, in the beginning, if you guys saw when I was unboxing it, it has an expiration date on it. And if you guys have been watching my videos, then you probably know that I wanted to be able to see the expiration date of the product so that I have more or less an idea of when I should throw it away. Well, this product lasts about 2 years, which is cool. And yeah, I'm so happy that they had that on there. But I was going to say, I like the fact that all the colors are together in one palette. It makes it super simple. There was the Madam Glam pudding gels that I reviewed, or I unboxed and reviewed. Those I loved, and I loved the packaging. Like the little thing was like, it was perfect. You guys gotta watch that video. I'm gonna link it down below. But nevertheless, the only thing that I would say now that I have tried another one of these concepts is the fact that all the little canisters are individual. This one has all of them together in a palette, and it makes it more convenient for storage, because for the little pods that I have for the Madam Glam ones, it's like, okay, well, I have them all set in there, but they're so small, and I have that little bit of a like, I don't like that when it comes to the little tiny acrylic powders either. It's like I cannot even shelf these unless I make like a special shelf for them. But that's just like, that's so not even necessary to like worry about. But it is like one of those aesthetic moments. Like, could you imagine if JosLove had like a super cool design on the front of this palette that was inspired by these colors? That would just take this so over the top. Thank you so much, JosLove.